Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, let's talk about AVAX, bigger picture, and also I will zoom in this video. In this video, and we take a look at the microstructure there. First of all, looking at the bigger picture, nothing changed to yesterday really. So we have this initial rally to all-time highs that was in November 2021. I see that as a three-wave corrective rally, basically here as an ABC structure. From there, a possible 5-wave move to the downside, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. I can always be wrong about that interpretation. Yeah, it could also be interpreted as a WXY structure and would be a correction. No problem. That's why we call it also a B wave. So the bigger picture, however, that doesn't mean it doesn't give us a lot of confidence, you know, that this is a clearly bullish chart. I mean, we are in a bullish market, so clearly the charts tend to move with the more bullish scenarios. And I'm tracking here this potential 5-wave move up that we talked about yesterday, in which, I mean, you can interpret that that's a bit ambiguous down here, yeah, but you could argue there's a tiny 1-2 setup down here. Then this is a wave 3, 4, 5, and we have 5 waves in wave 1. Alternatively, the A wave already topped here. It's just a different structure. So in the white count, we are more bullish, 5 waves up, and then the next pullback, if corrective, could be a jump off point for a 3rd wave rally. Then a wave 4 and a 5. I cannot really give you a target yet for wave 3 because it depends on how deep the wave 2 goes. We take it level by level, but the overall larger degree projection points to $500. That would be a 10x from here. In the bull market, high confidence, not so much. Okay, we take it level by level with these coins. First of all, we need to see if in a pullback, a higher low in the support area is holding. Then we can track the next smaller degree 1-2 setup and we take it level by level. Not telling you that we will reach $500. This is entirely different. There is a mathematical projection and it's possible. Yeah, and it's if we get there, this is an area where the C wave could complete. But it also depends on many more factors, especially the microstructures, and if the market continues to adhere to relevant parameters. Especially it also depends on the overall crypto cycle, and if Bitcoin completes its bullish cycle before AVAX gets there, AVAX might only reach 213, which is the 78.6 extension. Yeah, so we'll see how that develops. But looking at the yellow count, which is the more bullish, not bearish, no, it's the more bearish scenario. We're dealing with an A, B, C structure. And it's possible that the A wave formed 3 waves, and this is an A overshooting B wave and the C wave down can follow. Or basically, like the white count, the A wave forms 5 waves, because an A wave can be a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. We don't know. That's why this chart is not so clear. Does it really matter? Not really. I mean, the idea is that any deeper pullback, if corrective, could provide a buying opportunity. From an Elliott wave point of view, a setup. At the moment, yep, the trend is up, but there isn't a great long trade setup because the structure says there is a risk that here we are getting close to the end of this initial move up, yeah, from the September-October lows. Looking at the 4-hour chart, this move up so far is clearly only a 3-wave move, so I can call that a high B wave. But it doesn't make sense to track really the microstructures because it's very ambiguous. It's very ambiguous, and even in the white count, if this is a non-overlapping diagonal, we might see an ABC structure. So, you know, best is just to try to understand what the relevant support levels are and what is the level that, if broken, will tell us that a larger pullback is likely unfolding. So best I can offer here is to say that this was a 3-wave move in wave A. This is a B wave pullback. And now we're moving up possibly in the C wave. That could complete here basically the large B wave. Yeah, or it would be an ABC structure in wave 5 of 1. And problem is that the move down here initially is very ambiguous. Very ambiguous. But if we say we have an initial, very difficult to say, initial tiny 1-2 setup down here, 3, 4, 5, then this 5-wave move might be a non-overlapping diagonal pattern. So I cannot rule out that, what I want to say is, I cannot rule out that this 5th wave is just an ABC structure. So, you know, if it forms another 4-5, okay, but for now, we focus on this. And then this could be a small 1-2, okay, maybe another 1-2, and we climb higher, 3, 4, 5, okay, like that. I'll take the nano count here out because it's, again, it's very ambiguous. But if this is now a C wave to the upside, could also be a WXY. If this is an ABC to the upside, the C wave should reach the 100% extension level. And we might already be there nearly. Yeah, $56.68. So it's already been reached. Further extensions on the micro level point to 63.34, 75.84. And then obviously the next level is the top of the box there, resistance, $82. So basically what it means, we're now in an area where this move could terminate, but I would not really confirm that without a break below any support level. So at the moment, yep, further upside possible, but not a great long trade setup. However, it will take a break below $40 basically, $40.20, this last swing low as an initial confirmation that a top of sorts is in place. And then we need to take it from there and see how we react to these previous swing lows at $35.30 and down there at $27. They should all be taken out eventually if we are coming down in a B wave or the wave 2. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.